What was once a massive construction site filled with cranes, steel, and concrete is now beginning to reveal the shape of the future Spotify Camp Nou. With the compression ring expanding rapidly, facade installation advancing across multiple stands, and key structural areas reaching important milestones, the transformation is becoming more visible with every passing week. Let's take a closer look at the latest progress from the project. The South Stand facade continues to progress steadily as workers expand the installation of ceramic slats across additional sections of the stadium. A major development this week is the installation of new anchoring points and support structures on the front side of the South Stand cores. With most of the steel substructure already completed, crews are now preparing larger areas for facade installation. The false ceiling section is also nearing completion, and the growing coverage of ceramic slats is beginning to create a more continuous and recognizable appearance across the stand. Construction remains highly active throughout the third tier, where crews continue building internal spaces that will house future restrooms, concession areas, and operational facilities. At the same time, scaffolding is being installed across multiple sections of the tier as part of the lighting relocation project. Workers are also sealing joints between prefabricated seating sections and carrying out finishing works throughout the area. Work on the second cantilever continues to focus on interior construction and space development. New concrete block walls are being built throughout the level, gradually forming the layout of future restrooms, service rooms, and hospitality areas. Construction activity is visible across several sections, with workers continuing masonry, utility preparation, and structural finishing tasks. The first cantilever area continues to show steady progress, particularly around the diamond structures and core sections. Construction teams are advancing concrete works, structural finishing, and preparation for future installations throughout the level. Activity remains visible around the completed and under construction diamond structures, where workers are preparing formwork, reinforcement, and support systems for upcoming phases. The South Stand remains one of the busiest areas of the project, as work on the compression ring continues to move forward. Another compression ring box section has been installed since the previous update, extending the structure further along this side of the stadium. Multiple box sections, pillars, and radial beams are currently stored on site, showing that a large amount of material is ready for installation in the coming days. The newly installed box section can now be clearly seen connected near the radial beam area. Construction crews are preparing the next section for lifting, and progress in this area continues at a steady pace. Based on recent activity, approximately 2 box sections are being installed every day, allowing the compression ring to expand rapidly around the stadium. One of the most important developments today is the installation of facade anchors around the mobility core area in the South Stand. Several anchors have now been attached to the structure, both at upper and lower levels. These anchors will support the future ceramic slats and will help connect the already completed slat sections on both sides of the mobility core. This marks the beginning of another major phase of facade development, and this area is expected to change significantly over the coming weeks. A major update can be seen on one of the lateral diamonds. Since the previous day, the structure has been fully concreted. The formwork has already been removed from large sections, revealing the finished concrete underneath. Additional formwork has also been installed around the rear section of the structure, indicating that more concrete work will follow shortly. Despite recent weather conditions, progress has continued without interruption, allowing this diamond to advance much faster than expected. Another important milestone can now be observed in the Tribune side diamond area. Crews have begun installing the support framework that will form the next diamond structure. Support beams are now being positioned around the columns, while workers continue bringing additional materials into the area. Activity levels are particularly high here, suggesting that construction will move quickly over the coming days. This section is expected to progress rapidly through the reinforcement, formwork, and concrete phases. Work is also advancing around the Tribune mobility core. Materials for the sandwich panel enclosure have already arrived on site and are positioned for installation. This indicates that the enclosure process will soon begin, allowing this mobility core to gradually match the appearance of other completed sections around the stadium. Moving to the north stand, compression ring construction remains highly active. Additional box sections and support elements have been delivered to the area, while large crews continue working across multiple levels of the structure. The compression ring now extends significantly across this side of the stadium and continues to grow with each new installation. Heavy equipment remains active throughout the area as workers focus on structural assembly and preparation for upcoming lifts. Another significant update comes from the north stand facade. Ceramic slats have now been installed in an additional false ceiling section, extending the completed facade coverage even further. The support system and alignment work for this area had already been completed earlier, and installation of the slats has now officially begun. This marks another visible step toward the final architectural appearance of the stadium. Construction crews continue working on facade support systems throughout the north stand. Workers are carrying out finishing and preparation tasks around the support structures, while several areas remain ready for future slat installation. Although slats have not yet been installed in every section, the supporting framework is already in place across much of the area, allowing future facade work to proceed efficiently. The newly delivered escalator remains positioned in the north stand corner area. Another escalator has already been installed inside the structure, while preparations continue for the placement of this newly arrived unit. Its installation will represent another step forward in completing the stadium's internal circulation and mobility infrastructure. Work continues around the corner section of the stadium, where facade support systems are gradually being expanded. Additional support elements still need to be installed before the final facade panels can be attached. Several construction crews remain active in this area, focusing on structural preparation and finishing tasks that will support future facade installation. The Tribune area has seen substantial progress in recent days. New connection elements have been installed on the facade brackets, and support systems for future ceramic slats are now appearing across a larger portion of the structure. This development indicates that facade installation is gradually moving into the Tribune section, bringing it closer to the level of progress already seen in other parts of the stadium. Another visible improvement can be seen on the Tribune mobility core. New sandwich panels have been installed on the upper section since the previous update, further enclosing the structure. Additional panels are already being lifted into position, showing that work is actively continuing. The mobility core is now beginning to take on a much more complete appearance as enclosure work progresses. One of today's more unusual developments is the removal of several facade supports in the corner section. Supports that were previously installed beneath the black beams have now been taken down. The exact reason for this adjustment has not yet been confirmed, but it suggests that modifications or corrections may be taking place before the final facade installation continues in this area. Across the entire stadium, progress remains strong on multiple fronts. Compression ring installation continues to advance. Diamond structures are moving through critical construction phases. Mobility cores are receiving facade systems and enclosure panels, and ceramic slat installation is expanding into new sectors. With structural work, facade development, and interior infrastructure all progressing simultaneously, the transformation of Spotify Camp Nou continues to accelerate as construction teams push forward across every major area of the project.